Did you know that affiliate marketing is projected to be worth over $8 billion by the end of this year? That's billion with a B. It's a massive market and it's only getting bigger. But here's the thing, just because the market is growing doesn't mean it's getting easier. That's why in this video we're going to be talking about what's hot in affiliate marketing right now. So, if you're ready to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's dive right in. Let's be real guys, the affiliate marketing space is packed. Every day new players enter the game, all gunning for the same audience and commissions as you. One of the biggest challenges you'll face is adapting to the constantly changing algorithms of search engines and social media platforms. Staying on top of algorithm changes is crucial for maintaining your visibility and driving traffic to your affiliate offers. The fact that there's so much competition means there's also a ton of opportunity. By focusing on your niche, providing value to your audience, and constantly innovating, you can rise above the noise and build a successful affiliate marketing business. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room. There's so much information out there about affiliate marketing, it's overwhelming, right? You've got courses, ebooks, YouTube videos, blog posts. Everyone's got a secret formula or a magic bullet. The truth is, a lot of it is just noise. So how do you cut through the clutter and find what actually works? Be selective about who you listen to. Don't just follow the crowd. Do your research and find reputable sources with a proven track record of success. Focus on building a strong foundation of knowledge, experiment with different strategies, and most importantly, track your results to see what's actually moving the needle for your business. The AI revolution is here. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are no longer futuristic concepts. They're here, and they're changing the affiliate marketing game as we speak. By embracing these technologies and learning how to leverage them effectively, you can gain a significant advantage in the affiliate marketing landscape. Influencer marketing is king. Let's talk about one of the most powerful trends in affiliate marketing today, influencer marketing. By partnering with influencers in your niche, you can tap into their established audience, build credibility, and drive serious traffic to your affiliate offers. The key here is to find influencers who align with your brand values and who have a genuine connection with their audience. The secret weapon: automation. If there's one trend that's absolutely exploding in the affiliate marketing world right now, it's automation. Automation takes all of that off your plate, freeing up your time and energy to focus on what really matters: strategy, creativity, and building your business. There are tons of amazing automation tools out there that can streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. Outrow, stay ahead of the curve. So, there you have it, the hottest trends shaping the future of affiliate marketing. Remember, the affiliate marketing landscape is constantly evolving. Keep experimenting with new strategies, track your results, and always be on the lookout for ways to innovate and improve. Now, I want to hear from you. What trends are you most excited about? What challenges are you facing in your affiliate marketing journey? Drop a comment below and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, keep crushing it.